It's your boy, Be the Builder. I'm back in the building one more time for the grind. Now look, y'all, I done just got a new tool. You know what I'm saying? It's different. It's not like everybody that's seen before. This tool right here. Okay? From what I'm seeing, this tool look like it's gonna be something. But I'm here to try it out, test it out, and see what it may be. Okay? So, this here is the Be the Builder thumbs up. Got a blade on it, make your jobs easier. Plus, it has a measuring tape. So you can measure the size you need to and cut it accurately or real close. We'll figure that out in just a second. So, size of that, 15 and a half. So I'm gonna stretch this out to 15, put it on the half, right there. And then I'm gonna make the cut. Let's see how this goes, y'all. Alright, yeah, that's me. I messed that up. Let me see. What conclusion we come to. Alright. One cut. Like that. Alright. Now, grab measuring tape. Check the line. See how the line is. See if the line is lying and just telling the truth. 15 and a half. 15 and a half. 15 and a half. 15 and a half. So, that's one try. So this, off the one try, seems to be good. But, we got some more to check. And we gonna check it. T.U.L Industries, Be the Builders, thumbs up, multi-tool for drywall, measuring tape, and blade in one. Oh snap, I ain't even show y'all. I forgot to show you. It also got a pencil holder where you can hold the pencil and make the mark with the measuring tape. If you don't want to do the straight cut, you can do the straight measurement with the pencil. And then come back and cut it. I like this. I'm gonna see how many more times it's gonna be useful for. It's your boy, Be the Builder. Presenting to you the new tool, Be the Builder. Thumbs up, multi-tool, box cutter, and a measuring tape in one with a pencil holder. Tell me what you think. I'll do a couple more videos with it so you can see it some more. Yep.